How to get ChatGPT to remember your name and preferences. First of all, go ahead and open the ChatGPT application on your device. Tap on these two horizontal lines on the top left corner where you can access your profile by simply tapping on your profile icon right next to this magnifying glass. From here, head to this memory bar. Right below this personalization option, from here, you will find certain informations or certain box, such as your nickname. Go ahead and tap on this, then type in your nickname or your actual name. From here, tap on this occupation option, give your details regarding your occupation, and you will also find another box called More About You. Simply tap on this, type in your interest, values, or preferences to keep in mind. Once you're done, tap on this tick mark on the top right corner of your screen, and ChatGPT now will keep all this thing in mind, and during and while giving any responses, it will make sure all the results are also related regarding your personal interest, your occupation, and also your specific name. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.